And this is our litter number 3 from our Taya. And puppy number 1 is this red fawn boy. So these puppies are probably going to be medium to large size puppies. Both their parents are about medium to large, so these might be a little bit on larger than our Lucy's litter. So that's puppy number 1. And puppy number 2 is this little dark boy. He's got little white spots on his paws and his chin, his chest, but otherwise pretty solid coat. Might show up, might end up with some brindling as he develops, as the coat develops. But so far, it looks like a nice solid coat with a little bit of brindling here and there. And that's puppy number 2. And puppy number 3 is this gorgeous little girl. She is like a fawn, possibly blue fawn or a sable. Really nice, interesting color. And that's puppy number 3. And puppy number 4 is this gorgeous little guy. He looks like is a fawn, blue fawn. Really nice coat, solid coat. And that's our litter number 3, Taya's litter.